Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Carhelpout here, a simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience, either for auto car repair, emergency roadside assistance, or pre-purchase used vehicle buying inspection service. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of tough, most fuel-efficient pickup truck with our list, the best of top 11 most reliable and dependable pickup trucks for 2017. And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. These pickup trucks are built to last, with rugged frames, powerful engines, and features designed to make your life easier. We'll cover pros, cons, and those quirky features that make them stand out. Plus, we'll wrap things up with an inspiring automotive motivational car quote of the day. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get this truck party started.
Carhelpout.
Ride quality, fuel efficiency, and clever features over outright towing and hauling capacity.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Next up, the 2017 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck, synonymous with off-road prowess and legendary reliability. Under the hood, you've got a choice between a 2.7-liter four-cylinder or a more powerful 3.5-liter V6. The V6 is the one to get for serious towing or hauling, with 278 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. The Tacoma's true calling is off the beaten path, with its available four-wheel drive system, TRD off-road package, and high ground clearance. Inside, it can be surprisingly refined with features like leather upholstery, heated front seats, and a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation. Toyota's Safety Sense suite of advanced safety features comes standard on all models. The 2017 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck is built to last, with a reputation for being nearly indestructible. It's packed with features that make it a great choice for both everyday driving and weekend adventures.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Now let's talk about the 2017 Chevrolet Colorado pickup truck and its slightly more upscale twin, the 2017 GMC Canyon. These trucks offer a winning combination of style, capability, and value. They're available in various configurations, including extended cab and crew, cab body styles, short and long bed lengths, and rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. Under the hood, you've got a choice between three engines, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder, a 3.6-liter V6, and a 2.8-liter Duramax turbodiesel four-cylinder. The Duramax achieves an impressive 20 mile a minute big city and 26 mile per highway. The Colorado and Canyon can tow up to 7,700 pounds when properly equipped. Inside, you'll find a well-designed cabin with comfortable seats and a user-friendly infotainment system. Higher trim levels offer features like leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and a Bose premium audio system.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's talk about an American icon, the Ford F-150 pickup truck. The F-150 offers a winning combination of capability, technology, and style. One of the biggest changes for the 2017 model year was the continued use of aluminum body panels. The aluminum body is lighter and more resistant to dents and dings, translating to better fuel economy and a more durable pickup truck overall. The 2017 F-150 pickup truck offers a variety of engine options, including a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 that gets up to 19 NMPG city and 26 MPG highway. For more power, there's the 5.0-liter V8 or the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, both offering impressive towing and hauling capabilities. The F-150 is also packed with technology, including Ford's Sync 3 infotainment system. It has a responsive touchscreen, intuitive menus, and is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 2017 Ford F-150 is a pickup truck that can do it all. It's got the power, the technology, and the style to handle anything you throw at it.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Up next, the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 pickup truck and its more upscale cousin, the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. These trucks are known for their rugged capability, powerful engine options, and comfortable ride. The Silverado is generally seen as the more work-oriented pickup truck, while the Sierra is marketed towards a more discerning buyer. Under the hood, you've got a choice between a 4.3-liter V6, a 5.3-liter V8, or a powerful 6.2-liter V8 that cranks out 420 horsepower. For diesel power, there's a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8 available in the Sierra HD. These trucks are packed with features like the available corner step rear bumper and the easy lift and lower tailgate. The Silverado and Sierra offer a variety of bed lengths and cab configurations. Inside, you'll find a comfortable and spacious cabin with available features like leather upholstery, heated and cooled seats, and a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These trucks are perfect for both work and play. Capability that's hard to beat.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Now let's talk about the 2017 Nissan Frontier pickup truck. Perfect for those on a budget but still need a capable and reliable workhorse. Under the hood, you've got a choice between a 2.5-liter four-cylinder or a 4.0-liter V6. The V6 produces 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, ideal for serious towing. The Frontier's off-road prowess is impressive with its available four-wheel drive system, high ground clearance, and rugged suspension. Inside, the Frontier's cabin is straightforward and functional, with features like cloth or leather upholstery, heated front seats, and a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation. The 2017 Nissan Frontier pickup truck is a great choice for those who need a reliable and capable truck without breaking the bank. It's durable, affordable, and ready for any challenge.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's talk about the 2017 Toyota Tundra pickup truck built for serious work. Under the hood, you've got a choice between two powerful V8 engines, a 4.6-liter V8 or a 5.7-liter V8 that cranks out 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. The Tundra can tow up to 10,500 pounds when properly equipped. Toyota pickup trucks have a reputation for being incredibly reliable, and the Tundra is no exception. Inside, the Tundra's cabin is spacious and comfortable, with available features like leather upholstery, heated and cooled seats, and a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation. The Tundra offers excellent visibility with its high driving position and large windows. The 2017 Toyota Tundra pickup truck is built for those who demand the best. It's got the power, the reliability, and the capability to handle anything you throw at it.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Last but not least, the 2017 Nissan Titan pickup truck, making a serious comeback. The Titan is powered by a 5.6-liter V8 engine that cranks out 390 horsepower and 394 pound-feet of torque. The Titan can tow up to 9,140 pounds when properly equipped. The cabin is spacious and well insulated from road noise with a surprisingly smooth ride. Inside, the Titan's cabin is available with features like leather upholstery, heated and cooled seats, and a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation. The 2017 Nissan Titan pickup truck is worth a closer look. It's got the power, the comfort, and the features to compete with the best in the segment.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
And there you have it, folks. Our The Best of Top 11 Most Reliable and Dependable Pickup Trucks for 2017. From rugged off-roaders to luxurious highway cruisers, these pickup trucks offer something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a workhorse or a comfortable daily driver, there's a pickup truck on this list for you. Remember, buying a used pickup truck can save you money while still getting a reliable vehicle. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments which pickup truck is your favorite. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.